This is the Sri Kalahasti Kalankari traditional art, and Sri Ramapilla
Reddy
is drafting the design on the sari, Kalankari design. This work needs great Bharatam. This needs great concentration and skill, and also knowledge of tradition. And these are all vegetable colors. This is a silk saree, and he is designing Bharat design. Sir, since how many years you are doing this? ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ?
40 years work.
40 years work, traditional work. You were from father, forefathers? Nine. Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.